In this video, we're going to look at how to change your personal settings in Salesforce. You can customize the way Salesforce looks, so it works better for the way you like to do business. Let's walk through an overview of how to customize your personal information in Salesforce. We're logged in as Kathy Cooper, a sales director at AW Computing. We'll click Kathy's name and choose My Settings in the upper right-hand corner. My Settings is where you can change how Salesforce looks for your personal use. No one else at your company using Salesforce will see these changes. We're going to click on Display and Layout. These settings change the layout of your tabs and pages. Let's click Customize My Tabs. Here we can add or remove the tabs at the top of the page so that we only see the ones we need. We can also change the order they're in. Let's add the Data.com tab to the display, since this is a tab that Kathy uses often. Also, as a manager, she spends a lot of her time in reports and dashboards. So let's move those to the top of the list. Now we'll remove the Documents tab, since Kathy rarely uses that one. We'll save our changes. Notice that the display instantly changed at the top of the page. Let's change the layout of Kathy's accounts pages. Back in My Settings, in the Display and Layout area, we're going to select Customize My Pages. Then we'll choose Accounts from the pick list and click Customize Page. Here you can change the lists that display on each page. We'll remove the Notes and Attachments related list from Kathy's account pages. And we'll go check it out on an account. So let's click on the Accounts tab and then open an account. And scroll down through the related lists. We can see that the Notes and Attachments section is now gone from this page. Right now, Kathy is getting a lot of emails from Chatter. Let's help her out and change her Chatter email settings. We'll go back to My Settings, Chatter, Email Notifications. Here you can control how often to receive emails from Chatter. We'll remove the check mark from Follows Me. As a sales director, all the sales reps in her area will end up following Kathy, and it's not really important to her that she get an email every time someone chooses to follow her. Kathy's on the road pretty often, so she wants to stay informed of whatever chatter is happening on her profile. We'll keep this check mark. Likes and shares are slightly less important to her, so Kathy can just check those whenever she's in Chatter. She doesn't need to get emails about the type of activity. We'll leave these check marks. And in the Group section, we'll choose a Weekly Update default. And for each individual group that she's currently in, we'll change those to weekly updates as well, except for the Senior Management group. Activity in this group is very important to Kathy, so we'll choose to get an email on every post in that group. That way she won't miss anything. And we'll save our changes. Because they're in the Personal Setup section, all of these changes are unique to you and will only show up in your Salesforce org with your login and password. For more information, search for these topics in online help and training. And thanks for using Salesforce.